In this movie, we'll talk about creating a text field using ActionScript. Now, you might be wondering, why on earth would I want to create a text field with ActionScript when I can just draw one out and write some text in it? That's a very good question, because you don't always want to create a text field with ActionScript. You want to create a text field with ActionScript when your user might not necessarily ever want to see that text field. For example, in the next chapter, we'll be creating a game, and we'll make some text display if you win the game. If the user never wins the game, we don't need to display the text, so there's no point in taking up the space. So the reason why you'd want to create a text field with ActionScript is to only have the text field take up space or exist when the user needs to see it. If it's going to show all the time, then by all means, please create it in design mode. Now let me show you how to create a text field. I'm in a new document, and I have the layer 1 renamed Actions. Let's click on that keyframe and open up the Actions panel. Let's create a new variable called myText with a capital T, type a colon. The data type will be text field with a capital T and a capital F for field. Then type space equals space, new space, text field. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and a semicolon. We've just created a variable that's a text field data type equal to a new instance of the text field class. In order to see this text field, we need to use add child. So let's go to the next line and type add child with a capital C, open parenthesis, my, and then text with a capital T, close parenthesis, semicolon. Now if we test the movie, we won't see anything because we don't have any text in our text field. So let's add some text in our text field. Go to the next line, and then type my text with the capital T dot text space equals space, and then put some kind of text in quotes. The text property of a text field accepts a string. So open quote, type here's some text in my brand new text field. Close quote, and a semicolon. Test the movie. Notice that the text field isn't wide enough to accommodate all the text. To make it wider, let's go to the next line, then type my, capital T for text, dot width, space equals space, and let's just choose a big number like 250 pixels, then a semicolon. Now test the movie, and there we go. If you want to modify other properties of your text field, select text field and then press F1 on your keyboard, open up the help, and look at the properties that you can modify. And close the help menu. So if you want to learn more about text fields, there's a good place to go. But that is basically how to create a text field using ActionScript. In the next movie, we'll style our text field.